Si Coach Billy.
So delicious!
Parang napahiya siya kay Stel eh. Gusto niya sana si Stel eh.
I'm really happy to have you on my team. I really love the way you sing. And I'm thankful na ako yung pinili mo. Billy, congratulations. Welcome to Team Billy. Good job, sir. Thank you. Agad pasabog na performance ang hilain ng iyak talent natin. Kaya naman, excited nang marinig ng coaches ang susunod na bibida dito sa stage. Kilala natin sa pagbabalik ng The Voice Kids.
Natin to, mga kababayan.
Tapos na ba? Hindi ko. Hindi mo ba kain na to?
Iisip ko?
Hindi, kakain ka ba?
Huwag mo na kainin!
Paano ito mo?
Ayaw na magkasakit.
Hindi na naman ako tubig.
Akin na!
Sabi!
May rabo agad ito. Ako, ang bata niyo.
Forever young. Uupo na sa pwesto ang bata natin to. October 21,
Hindi ka pa tapos?
GMA Afternoon
Eat.
Prime.
Kinain mo na lahat ni Daddy. No more si Daddy. You eat it all.
Hindi ko na rin nais matitin sa kanya. Meron akong ibang nais. Meron kasi akong ibang first number.
Ay, wow.
Talaga kayong pag-asa yung kabalikan niya.
It's Monster time!
Wala pa rin dahil sa inyo. Asawa ng asawa ko. Hey! Si 2024 na.
Mukbang time. Yum, 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 yum.
It's 12
Yum, yum, yum.
Pagsamahan ng kaso kay Allen dito sa Index.
May bagong paandarang
Say
mag-ina.
hi.
You need to resign. CEO Index.
Sa last 12 days ng abot kamay na pangarap.
I found this mini shelf on Shifu. It's packaged very well. Let's build it together. It comes with a screwdriver and screws. The wooden planks are very sturdy.
Open mo na!
You can also adjust it to your liking. I love it.
It's mukbang time.
I'd like to thank Mom, Dad. Thank you for the opportunity
Mukbang
because
time.
for share turn, ito ko yung pinili. So, Gabby, joking aside, I really believe in your talent. You're a great social partner, and we will enhance it even more. So, I'm very happy na ako ang pinili mo. I will try to take care of you. I can't promise you the world, but I will try to get it for you. Yung performance ni Gabby, nag-uusap nga kami, sabi namin na parang sana naman R&B yung
Tuloy mo, let's
lumabas, no?
eat.
Para maiba naman.
Next,
Biglang boom, here comes Gabby. And nakita niyo naman ako yung unang-unang umikot.
What are you eating,
Nakiride na
Sadie?
kami yung tatlong coaches. Siguro gusto
I'm
nila ako
eating.
aasarin, pero napabuti rin para sa
What are
akin.
you
So,
dinner.
it's hard for me to say
Dinner.
this,
What
but
food?
thank
What
you,
food?
coaches.
I have dumpling.
No.
Lamok.
Pasensya na Mrs. Coach Julie. At ngayon ay sasagutin
Hindi
ko
nalagyan.
lahat ng mga katanungan niyo sa akin.
Okay, may binalik si Siren ah. Baka
My
yan
real name is
Hindi, posible
Julie
naman.
Ann Peña Florida San Jose. Peña Florida is my middle name. I was discovered nung sumali ako ng Boxer Kids. That time, I was 12 years old. Tapos, naging contender ako ni Rita. And then after a year, I got a call back. Tapos, naging part ako ng contender sa sama si Grand